Okay, I'm sharing my screen, showing you the paper that is expected for you to complete this weekend. 50 marks test, 5 marks for cleanliness. You think you want to solve the paper in, you want to solve the whole thing in pencil? Go ahead, do it in pencil. If that 5 marks is so important for you, do it in pencil. I don't have a problem with that. It's up to you. Okay? But I will explain how these 5 marks. Okay? This question, you know how to solve it. It is for 3 marks. Difference between the numbers. Third one is also difference between the numbers. 2 marks each. We have solved multiple sums of these kinds in class. You know the step. You should be doing it with the step. Got it? Fourth one, difference between the greatest and the smallest numbers by using this number only once. Simple. इसका smallest लिखो, इसका greatest लिखो, उसको minus करो. But step by step दिखना चाहिए जैसे class में किया है. Okay? This page of 4 questions is for 10 marks. I need you to number the questions correctly. यहाँ पे मैंने 1 2 3 4 लिखा है, तुमने ABCD लिखा तो मैं 0 दूंगी, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पेपर में ABCD किधर है ही नहीं. अंडरस्टूड? क्वेश्चन के नंबरिंग्स को ध्यान दो. गिव good attention to the numbers of these questions and number your answers exactly the same way. You will write page 1 1, page 1 3, page 1 4. That's how you will write. Got it? Yes, Tanishka, पूछो.
Ma'am, but question number 2 just want to means question number 2 3 we want to just write with in a steps which is the greatest number, na?
I don't know. You have solved 4 to 5 sums of each of this kind in your book. Remember? Textbook के हर एक sum को हमने चुन चुन के solve किया है. Do you remember? Difference between two numbers, dash minus dash equals dash. What to what is given, based on that you have to add it or subtract it. Do you remember? सोचो सोचो सोचो, सब याद आ जाएगा. सोचो सोचो, सब याद आ जाएगा. Aha, 1 minute. The screen went off. Here I am going to help you, Tanishka. याद है ये? कुछ याद आया? Dash minus dash. You will have the answer here. Then, if you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to,
Yes.
if you have to find this number, क्या करना है? If you have to find this number, then what will you do for that with these two numbers? याद आया? हमने ये rule सीखा था. Add करना है, subtract करना है. Yes, Ranveer, बोलो.
Ma'am, we'll add it.
No, I don't want you to tell what to do. I am just looking to recall what we did so you remember that.
Add and subtract, ma'am.
Got it, Tanisha? Got it? समझ में
I
आया?
understand it, ma'am.
Very good. I want this submission by tomorrow 4 o'clock. By tomorrow 4 o'clock. Saturday 4 p.m. के पहले I need this sum. So very simple. आज बैठो और तुम्हारे सारे sums को revise करो. कल सुबह उठो, take maximum 2 hours and complete the sums. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, Pranav.
this, na?
Ma'am,
Yes.
if our test has been, ma'am, solved today, ma'am, so can we send today?
See, you are getting time. I will say always utilize the time. Okay? You are getting time to revise. There is no race over here to complete it before this time. इसलिए सबके साथ race है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay? You have time. Revise. Practice the way you think is important. Ranveer, something is important on your other side. Okay? Practice करो. Revise करो. उसके बाद बैठ के solve करो. आज रात को 2 बजे सबमिट किया, कल सुबह 4 बजे सबमिट किया. I don't have a problem. 1 minute. Vihan, yes, you want to say something.
I'm sorry. I have network problem, so I joined again.
No worries, that's fine. Okay. I'm going to the next page. Do you all remember what instructions I gave here? You have to write the correct numbering with the page number. Don't forget that. I need the right steps, full steps.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ranveer.
ma'am, I have a question that you have written all these questions, no? I can just write question 1, page 1, and I'll write the answer over there down.
Write the answer nahi. Write the steps and find the solution. Next page, page number 2. We solved these sums in class. This is about distance. Remember? Goes and comes back. What is the distance? How many days will that distance be for? Cost of plantation. एक planting किया तो क्या cost आएगा? फिर हर एक का 2-2 किया तो कितना आएगा? ध्यान
Yes,
से
ma'am.
पढ़ो. ध्यान से पढ़ो. I would say solve these sums if you want and then check if you have done it correct. Then give correct submission tomorrow again. वापस उसको कल सुबह उठ के 2 घंटे में सॉल्व करो और उसको सबमिट करो. Practice, practice, practice. Here, Jyoti teacher is jogging for 5,000 meters. How many kilometers is she actually jogging for? Simple conversion वाला sum है. Sum देख के डरना नहीं है. Read करो. It's in English. Read it, comprehend it, and solve it. It has come to you because you know how to do it. Understood? Now,
Ma'am,
the
that
sums on this page, see, each are for 5 marks. Remember the lines you have to write. हर एक sum में scoring के लिए बहुत option है. I want you all to attempt for full 50 marks. ऐसे मत सोचो कि ठीक है 30 मिल गया तो चल गया, इट्स ओके. नहीं चलेगा. मैं क्लास में बहुत डांटूंगी फिर. नहीं चलेगा क्योंकि हमने बहुत ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस किया है. You will have to explain it to me then. You are going to solve it आराम से. कोई जल्दी नहीं है. ध्यान दो पूरा. This page is for 15 marks. Page 2, 5. Page 2, 6. Page 2, 7. हर एक लाइन के लिए तुम्हें एक-एक मार्क मिल सकता है. Don't lose any mark. Next, we have solved exactly these two sums. Pable Publications, Saxena Company, याद है? सब solve किया था. In 1 week it is so much, 2 weeks it is so much. So April में कितना week आता है? How much will it be? And कौन से week में ज़्यादा है? Very easy to find out. सिर्फ patiently करना.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, Ranveer.
Ma'am, in this 8th question which you are showing on page 3, I always have a confusion in that.
What is the confusion?
That do I have to multiply? What do I have to do with the like in April now there are 30 days.
We are not
So,
talking
what
about
should I
days
do
over
with
here,
that?
Ranveer. We are not talking about days over here. Why don't you read question number 8 and you will be able to explain it better. Come on, read it. Read it.
So from Prince Oil Company,
confused in that only.
Quiet, Ranveer, read it.
The compressed oil company sold oil for rupees so much in the month of April 15. The sales for first week was rupees so much, and for the second week was rupees so much. What is the sales for last 2 weeks? Because last time when you had given like this sum, no, I plus both of them and I found the sales for last 2 weeks.
But you have to find the sales of last 2 weeks. The sales of last 2 weeks is not given. You have to find that. How will you find it? Chalo, tell me what all is given.
No, that's what no sales for first week is given, no. Rupees 20, this one, and second week is given 30 so much.
But there
That
is
is the
something
sales
else
for
also
last
that is
2
given,
weeks.
no? Remember what I had discussed in the class earlier? कि घर में 5 किलो दाल आया है, 1 किलो फर्स्ट वीक में यूज हुआ, सेकेंड वीक में सेकेंड किलो यूज हुआ, मतलब टोटल कितना यूज हो गया? फर्स्ट वीक में 1 kg. Ranveer, are you paying attention?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm asking you a question. We totally got 5 kilos of rice to the house. In first week, we used 1 kilo. Second week, we used 1 kilo. So in the third and the fourth week, how many kilos did we use? How will you find out? How many kilos came in the start of the month?
5 kilos.
5 kilos. First week, how many kilos were used?
1 kilo.
Second week, how many kilos were used?
2 kilos.
No, second week also 1 kilo was used. फर्स्ट वीक में 1 kg खाया, सेकंड वीक में भी 1 ही kg खाएंगे ना, अचानक से 2 kg कैसे खा जाएंगे?
नहीं मैम, 1 kg खाएंगे.
What?
1 kg will eat.
Ranveer, I can't understand what you're talking. Take your hand away from your mouth and talk.
We will eat 1 kg.
So first week we ate 1 kg, second week we ate 1 more kg. Now how many kgs are left? How will you find out?
Ma'am, 2 kg minus 5 kg.
2 kg minus 5 kg. First you have to find
5
out.
kg minus 2.
First you have to find out how much did you eat totally in the first and second kg.
2 kg.
First and second week you ate 2 kgs. Now what you will do? You will, to find out how much you are going to consume in the next 2 weeks, you will do 5 minus 2. That's how you will get 3. Are you understanding?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
why am I not getting response from you? Why are you not answering? The first thing is, Ranveer, you have to sit up straight. You're always lying down on your table, so I feel you are not able to pay attention well. If I also have to lie down like this and teach, no, half the time I'm going to feel sleepy. Sit up straight and answer. Be alert in class. Now tell me, how will you solve question number 8?
First, you will plus first week sales and second week sales. And then you will see that how much was total. And then you will plus them and you will minus it with the compressed oil company sold oil for rupees so much. That's how you will get the answer.
If you read it, you will understand the logic. You remember we talked about visualization. Remember we talked about how to imagine how it will look on that monthly table. मंथ में कैसे दिखेगा? एक मंथ में कितने वीक्स होते हैं? अप्रैल के मंथ में 4 वीक्स. फर्स्ट वीक में इतना मिला, सेकेंड वीक में इतना मिला, और टोटल मंथ में इतना मिला है. तो लास्ट 2 वीक्स में कितना मिलेगा? इसको इसमें से माइनस करेंगे तभी मिलेगा ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope you understood what I'm saying, because we've solved at least 5 sums of this type in the class. Minimum 5, I'm guessing. Next. Something similar in the second one also. Okay. You will write your numbering as page 3, 8, page 3, 9. This page has 10 marks question. Each of these sums are carrying 5 marks. Write your steps correctly. Subhan, please sit straight. Subhan, why are you dancing so much? Again, another person who is not paying attention to what is being told in class. And then you're going to give me a lot of excuses why you did something correctly. Not done. टीचर इज नॉट गोइंग टू रिमेम्बर कि अच्छा ये सुबान का पेपर है तो मुझे समझना पड़ेगा कि हाँ ये जो बोल रहा है वो सही नहीं है पर उसको सब समझ में आता है. ये नहीं चलेगा. जैसे एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है वैसे ही तुम्हें एग्जाम में लिखना पड़ेगा. सॉरी बट दैट इज द एजुकेशन रूल. आई कांट चेंज दैट. आई कैन पुट लाइव एग्जाम्पल्स एंड टीच यू, बट प्रेजेंटिंग इट द वे इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड इज योर ड्यूटी. ये करना ही पड़ेगा. देयर इज नो चॉइस ऑन दैट. This, you all know this by now. We have solved at least 60-70 sums of this by now. I want you to score this full 10 marks. This has to be 10 on 10 because you can. Simply because you can do 10 on 10 on this. You all have done more than 60-70 sums in this. Yes or no? हाँ या ना?
Yes.
पता नहीं, गिनेंगे तो शायद 100 हो जाएगा. टेक्स्ट बुक के सम्स, क्लास में सॉल्व किए सम्स, होमवर्क के सम्स, होम टेस्ट में दिए हुए सम्स, एवरीथिंग मिला के आई थिंक मस्ट बी 100 सम्स नाउ. We are solving and practicing so much so you can score full in this. Why? Because you can. All you have to do is simply pay attention to it. Simply pay attention. Quiet. Subhan, how come quickly you are there to see that, but when I am teaching, तुम्हारा ध्यान नहीं रहता है? किसी ने मस्ती किया तो तुम्हारा तुरंत ध्यान रहता है उसमें.
मैम मैंने ना देखा कि मैं ना मतलब ये चेक कर रहा था.
Subhan, I can see what's happening on screen and really shh. When you're solving this, all of you, be very careful. Do your expansion form. If you're going to directly write answer, मैं 1 mark नहीं दूंगी. हाँ? You have half mark for expansion and you have half mark for solution. जो फाइनल आंसर है ना उसका हाफ मार्क ही है. खाली फाइनल आंसर लिखा तो खाली हाफ मार्क लिखूंगी उसमें. तुम्हारा जो पूरा स्टेप्स है उसके लिए भी मार्क्स है. स्टेप्स जरूरी है. अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आया? हाँ या ना? This is one page, this is one page, this is one page, and this is one page. So all these pages are going to be sent to you today. You are going to revise the entire book, entire chapter, and you're going to come up with your answers by tomorrow, 4 o'clock in the evening. जल्दी सबमिट किया, I don't have a problem, but मैं resubmission नहीं लूंगी. Once you have submitted, that's the final. Please click clear pictures of your page. पेज कहीं पे है और तुम कहीं पे हो, ऐसे फोटो मत क्लिक करो. कैमरा को तुम्हारे उस पेपर के ऊपर रखो और रॉनी, आई एम टॉकिंग. कैमरा को तुम्हारे उस पेपर के ऊपर रखो और क्लिक करो फोटो. बुक कहीं पे है और तुम कहीं और सिर्फ पिक्चर ले रहे हो. आधा पेज में तो आधा पिक्चर में, आधे में ही तुम्हारा पेज है और आधे में पूरा तुम्हारा हाथ और पैर और ग्राउंड है. ऐसे नहीं चाहिए फोटो. It gets very difficult to correct it. You all know how to click snaps, no? Yes or no? Click proper snaps. सिर्फ पेज का फोटो आना चाहिए उसमें clearly. Complete solutions with numbering. Now, this is how your marks are going to be given. One mark. Remember, we have practiced कि सारा equal to sign एक ही line में आना चाहिए. Remember, we have practiced that. उसके लिए भी 1 mark मिलेगा. You can solve it in pencil if you want. But if you solve it in pen without any cuts and crosses, it means you're super confident about your sums and you have done an excellent job. उसके लिए 1 mark मिलेगा. Now I can give you a suggestion around this. एक बार उसको पेंसिल से सॉल्व करो आज. जो भी मिस्टेक्स है उसको इरेज करो, करेक्ट करो. फिर उसको फिर से सॉल्व करो पेन में. That way you will also revise the entire set of sums twice. So if you're only going to submit it in pencil solution, this 1 mark नहीं मिलेगा. Okay? Understood? हाँ, पेंसिल में सॉल्व करके सबमिट किया तो ये 1 मार्क नहीं मिलेगा. सबमिशन पेन में आया तो ये 1 मार्क भी मिलेगा. सो आई एम गिविंग यू अ सजेशन, इट्स अप टू यू. पेंसिल में सॉल्व करो आज और कल उसको पेन में पूरा फिर से सॉल्व करो. दैट वे यू विल आल्सो सॉल्व इट ट्वाइस. ये तो मैं फ्री में दे रही हूँ अभी. सिंपल है ये 1 मार्क तो मेरे तरफ से फ्री है. इसमें तो तुम्हें सिर्फ उसको टाइम के पहले सबमिट करना है. तनिष्का बहुत खुश हो गई. तनिष्का को पता है ये तो मुझे मिलने वाला है. You understood how the 5 marks of neatness is going to be distributed? So there is no confusion कि मैम आपने उसको 4 क्यों दिया, मुझे 3 क्यों दिया, मेरा भी नीट लग रहा है. कोई कंफ्यूजन ही नहीं. वो 5 मार्क्स को भी मैंने डिवाइड कर दिया है. हर एक मार्क तुमको उसमें से कैसे मिलेगा. क्या प्रणव, क्या बोला?
Ma'am, you can send this photo also.
Of course I will send every single page का photo, don't worry. हर एक पेज का फोटो भेजना. Yes रणवीर.
Ma'am, I have a question that if we submit before time, are we going to get like 2-3 marks more?
No. Submitting on time मतलब कल 4 o'clock के पहले सबमिट किया तो 1 मार्क मिल जाएगा. यूं ही मैं फ्री में दे रही हूँ ये 1 मार्क.
मैम कल 3 o'clock सबमिट किया तो 2 मार्क्स मिलेगा. तो भी
वो सबमिटिंग ऑन टाइम ही होगा ना. चलो आई विल करेक्ट इट. ओके क्लीन. अब लैंग्वेज आ गया समझ में. सबमिटिंग ऑन और बिफोर टाइम. अब यू डोंट टेल मी दैट आई सबमिटेड एट 4:05 और 4:02 और 4:03 PM. ये सब मेरे साथ डिबेट मत करो. हाँ 4 बजे के 5 मिनट पहले सबमिट करो. 4 बजे निक ऑफ टाइम पे ही सबमिट करो, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. ओके क्योंकि मेरे घड़ी में 4 बज गया ना, दैट्स इट, सबमिशंस क्लोज. अब तुम्हारी घड़ी में जो भी बजे मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. बिकॉज आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम फ्रॉम टुडे until tomorrow. You have more than 24 hours to solve it. So those last 2-3 minutes का झगड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. Got it? I am going to send photographs of each and every one of it. All the best for your 50 marks class test. Do well. Okay, everybody?
Ma'am, when you will check and give our answers?
I will give it by Sunday.
यस मैम।
है ना, वीकेंड पे ही मिल जाएगा, अगले क्लास तक वेट नहीं करेंगे, अगले क्लास में सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. ओके, यू विल गेट योर मार्क्स बाय संडे इटसेल्फ. आई नो यू आर ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर इट. जैसे जैसे करेक्शन होते जाएगा वैसे वैसे मैं मार्क्स सबमिट करते जाऊंगी तुमको. सी व्हाट हैपेंस
मैम
नो
पेट में
for
तितलियां
me,
उड़ रहे हैं.
see, I'll tell you something. All your submissions are coming in photographs. So for me to sit and check each of it, photograph may take a little time for me. Okay. So what I want you to do, cleanliness. And ऐसे 4-4, 5-5 लाइन छोड़ के मत सम सॉल्व करना. I am not cutting marks, but it is not good for you. Okay. And remember everything, you know it. Be confident, be sure. I want to see 50 out of 50 क्योंकि अगले बार हम मिलेंगे ना, तुम सबको मैं एक प्राइज दूंगी. जो भी फुल मार्क्स लेके आया उसको तो पक्का प्राइज है.
मैम अगर
हाँ.
पेंसिल से किया तो 49 मिलेगा ना.
हाँ, पेंसिल से किया तो
पेंसिल से किया
49 किया मिलेगा. यस यस.
गिफ्ट देना.
क्या
49 मिला तभी भी गिफ्ट.